Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm gonna unbox my new BLAVOR solar power bank, flashlight and compass. So having a power bank is really important nowadays because we need it for various purposes, but get it charged with solar energy is amazing, and that is what I'm gonna do here. So this is the very first look when I open the box. I have this happy here, and this is nothing makes her happier than seeing you smile. Always tell your friends, family. Okay, so extra surprise. Okay, this is welcome guide, and what I have got here, this is the actual, wow, bit heavy, right? But good if it is good in capacity. I'll see what it is exactly. Wow, amazing it is. Like, this look is really amazing, I must say. And what else I have got here? So I've got this USB cable and this holder. Nothing else in the box. All right, so as I said, compass. So with this you can see there's a compass. It says that's which direction. Okay, perfect. This is amazing. So compass is there, and this component is for the flashlight. I have a power button here. Amazing thing this is. I really feel good with this. And when I remove this top panel, I see various things like 2 USB ports and some other ports I see here, right over here. Let me show you. As you can see, so overall this is looking very good to me. So thanks for now, guys.